welcome to another cleaning video. This is going to be a decluttering and reorganizing one, as I promised you guys a while back ago that I was going to be working on this cabinet. Yeah, totally messy, totally just cluttered. Things probably don't even belong in there anymore. So I'm going to take you along with me to declutter that. And stay tuned because there'll be a video very soon of me reorganizing this. Sorry, I've got like stuff down here, sodas and waters, but I got this. Yeah, that's our silverware drawer, which has like just a bunch of random stuff in there. There's this, and then that, and then down there too. So stay tuned for those videos. They will come shortly, and ignore this mess right here because that's not going to be in this video. Alright guys, let's get to decluttering, and I hope this is very motivating to you, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. I think it looks a lot better, more organized, and just less cluttered looking. Of course, there's other ways I could have done it to make it less cluttered looking and maybe more organized, maybe more of those baskets from the Dollar Tree, but really I don't care too much as long as it's better than it was, and it definitely is. So up here I put all my baking stuff, minus the powdered sugar I just left in the back here. It's easier to get to anyways because I like to make French toast sometimes, and I like to sprinkle it on there. But it's easier to get to. So in here I have like all of my like sprinkles, cupcake cup thingies, vanilla flavoring, and then some other stuff in there. And then I have my cake mix, brownie mix, and like the bakeable stuff back there, and then the cookie mix is right here, and this frosting right here. So I have all the baking stuff up there really. And here I have like some lunch type stuff. I got my Progresso soups where I can get to. Back here I have the Jello I want to make for the kiddos, and I have the powdered sugar back there just because that's just easier for us. And then I love to add this to mine and my dad's sandwiches and stuff because my husband, not my brother, my husband, he's allergic to onions, but I think he could have these because all the stuff that he's allergic to is fried out of this. So I don't know, but I don't want to risk it. And then I have like my stuff I haven't opened yet before I put in the fridge. Goes there, and then I have, this is the only place I can really think of to put that there. And then here I have like my gazillion things of peanut butter. I'm going to be I'm going to be giving my neighbor the peanut butter jar that has the safety seal back or still on it, so it hasn't been touched or used. I'm going to give that to her because I don't need that, obviously. I just think I need peanut butter all the time, and I don't realize I have a bunch at home already. And then I just have my hazelnut spread up here. This right here is almost out, so I'm keeping that in the front. We love our honey, so that's in the front. Our sugar-free drink stuff to put in their pitchers. We love that stuff. We're going to keep right here. This is really the only spot for it, and I don't want to forget I have it, so I want it to be like accessible for me. These are those put it in the mug and just cook it in the mug. It's that like what is it called? That cornbread in a mug stuff. And back here I have like my other sugar-free drink mix stuff, and then pitcher one for lemonade. And then here I have just a bunch of the ones that are out of the box now in here. And these have not been opened yet and they're still good. So I have both of these over here. Just much easier to get to. It looks so much better, it looks so much nicer. Give me a thumbs up, you guys, and subscribe if you have not yet. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more decluttering and reorganizing videos. I'm going to be working on my, I can't open it, spice cabinets very soon. It's very cluttered and there's stuff in there we don't even use. And then also, like I said earlier, I'll be working on that. So stay tuned for more decluttering and cleaning videos. I'm excited to do it because my house needs it, and I love motivating you guys. It motivates me. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, definitely like and subscribe and share because I need more friends. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!